Yo, what's up, no? So, bigyan natin ng reaksyon ang rap ni Ate Carlyn Ocampo. Ito yung mga idol kong vlogger sa Ate Carlyn, si Kuya Bon, si Ivana, si Mami Oni, lahat ng mga vlogger na lagi ko napapanood. Yan, pati si Kuya Choy Choy. Simulan na natin. Reaction na natin to, no?
Yellow model chick, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yup, that stuff look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If
Oh, ganyan. Ang mama Kuchay. Ang mama Kuchay.
you get what I get, what would you say? You wax it on and off, Mr. Miyagi. Hit 'em suicide doors. Carry, look at me now, look at me now. Oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now, oh, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh in it now, what? Yo, puso why in the house listen.
Ayun na guys, simulan na. Suka na bitapi lagi na bitapi. Let's go!
Let's go. Cause I'm feeling like I'm running out, feeling like gotta get away.
Galing nga. Sumalay ka naman. Galing.
I know that I don't and I won't ever stop, cause I know I gotta win every day. Sit with it, pop me. Just know that you never flop me. And I know that I can be a little cocky. Oh, you're never gonna stop me. Every time I come a chick, I gotta set up, then I gotta go, then I gotta get it.
Galing. Kasi pwede ka naman galing.
Then I gotta go, then I gotta shut it, diggy, doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna then gonna murder everything and anything. I gotta do less to make clear to a couple people that I know winning, and I gotta get it in and again and again.
Oh, shit. Ang lupit. Una pa lang, intro pa lang, tapos na. Sino lalaban kay Ate Carlyn Ocampo, ha?
And I've been doing too that now, moving a little better, and I better go rap. And everybody know my shine, six knowing that the best, and they coming doing this, and I've been banging in my chest, and I'm banging in the east, and I'm banging in the west, and come and give you more. I would never give it less. You can hear it in the street, you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Still the way we on me, all up in the race, and I know gotta go, try to keep up with the pace, and I'm struggling, hustling, setting in, getting it. We always gonna do, baby, take another place, gonna taste it. Then I gotta grab it, then I gotta cut through all this traffic just to be in the top of the floor, but I know we're gonna have it.
Oh, shit. Ang lupit. Masasabi ko, sarap niya. 100 over infinity.
Look at me now, look at me now. I'm getting paper. Look at me now, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh in it now, what? Look at me now, look at me now.
Grabe, galing, oh. Intro pa lang, oh. Oh, yun na yung naghihimili ka naman sa PE. Nagalay ka naman. Di ko kaya yun. Ako, nabubulol-bulol pa ako nun. Yun na naman. Ganun lang ako nun. Grabe. So, dito na lang muna natin tatapusin, no? Wag niyo kakalimutan mag-like and share